everyone, this is Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and our family just got off the Carnival Freedom. We're going to save you some time and tell you how to get to the Posh Dining area on your C-Day brunch, or even just the dining area in general. We got a few tips for you right here. Save yourself some time here and learn this right off the bat on this quick video. Thank you guys and have a blessed day. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. Thank you guys.
All right, so we're going to the Posh restaurant, and we've learned something that it took us first time to figure this out, that you can't just go to 3 aft because you run into issues with the theater. And is it the theater you run into or something?
I think there's a galley.
Yeah, there's a galley or something there. So if you go to 5 and go to the aft, then go down at 5, you're right there at the Posh. So we're going to show you this secret here. So we're at midship on 7 now. You can do this midship anywhere you add, and then go down to 5 and go across. So if you go to 5 and then walk across, like this is a casino at 5. Casino bar. And then walk all the way down. This little coffee cafe on the right. You got the Red Frog Pub on the right. This is a cool place we've been hanging out a lot at. You see right here, it says the Posh restaurant is down. Yeah, that's the arcade. You got the 70s nightclub. They got the art auction in there. You got the Alchemy bar. They got the piano bar to the left over here. And then you just come in here and take these elevators. That's the Punchliner comedy. And then take this down to 3. These are the elevators. Then you'll be right at the restaurant. So you come in here and take these down to 3. Loving an elevator, living it up when you're going down.
Deck 3, Lovey Deck.
The Lovey Deck, that's what they call it. So then boom, you're right here at it. Okay, good morning. We're here. Hey, say hey to YouTube.
Hey, thank you guys for checking out that quick video on how to find the main dining room, the Posh Dining Room on the Carnival Freedom. You can definitely hit that up on C-Day brunches, but also if you have the Posh Dining Room as your main dining every night. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We love going on cruises. We love going to the Smoky Mountains. We also love grilling and smoking meat and griddling. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.